In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Norton software to stop blocking a file. We all know how frustrating it can be when your antivirus steps in a bit too aggressively, preventing you from accessing the files you need. Don't worry though. I'll guide you through a quick and easy process to ensure your important files aren't mistakenly blocked. First, you'll want to start by opening your Norton application. Once you've done that, head over to the main dashboard. It's where you'll find all the essential tools and settings you need to manage your antivirus protection. Look over on the left-hand side menu, and you should see an option labeled Scans. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Scans section, you'll need to find an option that says Open Scans. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the settings, where you have more control over what your Norton software does with your files. This step is crucial as it takes you to the section where you can toggle specific features of your protection settings. Now that you're in the right place, the next thing you'll want to do is to look for a tab labeled Exclusions. This is where you tell Norton which files it should ignore during its scans. By excluding specific files, you're essentially telling your antivirus, "Hey, these files are safe. No need to worry about them." After clicking on Exclusions, it's time to add the file you wish to unblock. You should see a button that says Add. Give that a click and a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. Navigate through your directories to find the exact file you want Norton to stop blocking. Select the file, and once you've done that, confirm your choice. Norton will then save this file to its list of exclusions. What this means is from now on, Norton will no longer flag or block this particular file, allowing you seamless access without any hurdles. Remember, it's always important to add files to the exclusions list with caution. Make sure that the file you're unblocking is safe and doesn't pose any security risks. Your antivirus software's primary job is to keep your system safe, so make exclusions only when you're certain that there's no threat. And there you have it, the simple process to tell your Norton software to stop blocking a file. This method ensures that you maintain control over your antivirus settings while keeping your system secure and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials. And don't hesitate to like and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.